a really nice project that I believe is very sustainable and very safe in the crypto space. And it's called Anchor Protocol. But before we start, I want to start out by having our daily verse for today. And it says, He is the atoning sacrifices for our sins, and not only for ours, but also for the sins of the whole world. That is an amazing verse for today. And I simply want to tell you something. Take in today and also reflect on everything that you've done, okay? Whether that's good or bad. And simply take the time to be thankful for everything you've accomplished and all the failures that you've gained and all the failures that you went through, and embrace that, okay? Everything that we go through in our life is for a reason. Embrace the failures and the success as well, because everything in life is just in the blink of eye can go away. So be thankful for everything that you have now, but also strive to become a better person in your life. Okay, guys? Alright, so back to the video. So Anchor Protocol. Okay, as we see here, this is its official website. I really like the page here. It has amazing colors. And so what is Anchor Protocol? So it's basically a lending page or a lending protocol where you can borrow and also lend out your money and get amazing returns on it. Okay. So as we see here, Anchor offers a better yield. It's definitely a better yield than your bank or any other traditional things that you might be investing in. And I believe it's very important to understand the risks and also understand the potential that it has in this project. Okay, guys. All right. So I wanted to talk about the best thing I find about this project, and it is that it offers like Anchor offers frictionless access. Okay. So with Anchor Savings, it has no minimum deposits and no accounts freezes or sign up requirements, okay? And it can be used for anyone in the world with the access of the internet. And that's the best thing about this is that anyone, literally anyone can get on this project, and if they're not a massive adopter of the risks that are involved with crypto or the stock market or anything else, because as we know now, there's a lot of drama and a lot of things going on in the world, and the crypto space and stock market is all going down. So I believe this is a great project to put your money into it if you're not ready for any risks or anything, because I believe this is the lowest risk project that is out there. And I'll also talk about the white paper and some more important things that I find about this project as well. So this is the homepage. We have the dashboard here. We have the total value locked. So this is the amount that's locked just in case that they're not able to provide that the 19.4 or 19.5% that they offer yearly. They're able to take that amount which is locked and also yield reserve and buy back and try to produce much more of the percentage, the yield percentage that they offer for its investors. And just one more thing, I just wanted to talk about the price of the Anchor protocol. As we see here, it's about $3 USD, and as we see here in the coin market cap, it's been rising pretty high now for the last 7 days. It's been going steadily up. I believe with everything going on, a lot of investors would recommend to just get on this project, and that's why I believe it's going up right now. They would rather have it in something stable than all the fluctuations going on. That's just, I believe, in my opinion. They would rather put it in the Anchor protocol, and it's offering them about, let's see, it's offering about, okay, so if there's two things. There's borrow, you can borrow the money or you can earn from it. But so far for right now for the earning, it's about 19.46%. That is amazing. Okay, you're literally just depositing the money, and each month, you're each day and each month as well, you're expected to get the interest and the total amount that you're deposited, and you would just do that with the 20% that's gonna be occurring for each month and each day as well. So I believe that's an amazing percentage for you just to just lock your money in there, and you're getting a yield for doing absolutely nothing, just providing liquidity for the protocol here. And we have here the govern, and as we see here, you're able to stake the Anchor ANC. You can stake the protocol here, and you'll gain advantage of actually being in the protocol and joining forums and creating pools to if you want to further the governance of the Anchor protocol and you want to see improvements in it, you're able to voice your you're able to talk about your voice and you're able to say something that you want to see change in the protocol, which I believe is very important in all projects that you're in, is that you're able to speak freely about what you want to see and the changes you want to see in the project. So that's why I believe this is something amazing that they're able to do. And I just wanted to talk about one thing actually, which I have been always thinking about. So I've always thought, okay, if I'm able to get 19.46% APY and I'm able to borrow money, if it's, let's say, the same amount, as we see here, the borrow APR is about 11.48%. If I'm able to take that money and let's say put it in yield nodes or something else that's producing me more income or more percentage than that, then I'm generally able to produce wealth from there. But this is not investment advice. This is something that I just thought about for a second. But this is something definitely very risky. But just to point out that what if I'm able to borrow from Anchor Protocol and put it in something stable, and let's say I produce 30% APY, that means I'm able to gain an additional 10%. But I just wanted to have that in the back of the mind and also let you know that what I was thinking as well, but definitely would not recommend this, okay? I would not recommend this. It's just something that came out of my mind and something that I've always thought about because I believe that's how people are and investors are gaining wealth is by leveraging borrowing from other lenders and able to produce a higher percentage and then pay back the borrowers that they took from. So I just wanted to have that out there for you to just get the analogy and everything, but definitely I don't recommend you doing that for any project, okay? No matter how safe the project you might think it is, definitely would not recommend doing that. And simply, if you want to get onto the projects, you would connect your wallet, and there's a wallet connector here, and you will scan the QR. And if you have a MetaMask wallet, you would implement the USD that you buy from, let's say, KuCoin or Crypto.com, and then you would simply send it over to here. Okay, guys. All right. So here I also wanted to talk about, if you're not familiar with what is Anchor, so there's a website here, and that's the documents for the Anchor protocol. So we have here that Anchor is a decentralized savings protocol offering low volatile yields on Terra stablecoin deposits. Okay, so that's the best thing about it is that you also have insurance with this project. Okay, so if you're not, if you don't, if you're like unsure to get on the project or not, and just to because also think about it as this is an online investment. So with any online investments, just have the back in your mind that anytime it can go away. But I definitely don't think about this with Anchor Protocol. It's very stable, and I believe it has true potential in it, and everything about it is right for me with the documents, with the investment, and the insurance that they provide. Everything is perfect for this project, and they have a high stable deposit yields. They have instant withdrawals, which is amazing. Whenever you deposit the money, let's say I don't want to have the money locked in for 12 months or so, I'm able to take out a little bit of the percentage that I occurred. So it's something good that they have. You're able to control how much you invest, and since they don't have a minimum deposits, it's all about the investors, and that's why I really truly believe in this project, and I really like this project as well. So we have here the securities. So they're having the introduction to the securities here, which they talk about how the security of Anchor Protocol is visibly to everyone, and they have the community, and they have a smart chain and a smart contract that's provided here, as we can see with the audits. They have three audits that has been audited by the people and also by the governance itself. So I will also be going in depth about the audits in a later video, and just talk about what I'd like to see in certain audits that are contributed by crypto projects, and whether or not, like, I believe there should be more things that are provided with the audits, and just giving an overview of what the audits are. Okay, but I believe it's a really amazing project because, as we see here, if you're just keeping your money in the bank and you're not really doing anything with it, I would rather you just try it out. Okay, there's no minimum deposits. just try out the Anchor protocol. Put maybe $100, 200, and try it out. Okay, I believe that you're able to take out your money anytime, and I would just recommend start out small and see how the project is. Because as we see here, the U.S. inflation rate for 2020 was 1.23, and the bank definitely doesn't offer that per year. And if you're able to just try it out for 1, 2, 3 months, you're already able to gain a more percentage on your money than the 1.23 that was for 2020. Okay, I just wanted you guys to have that in the back of your mind whenever you're looking for projects. Is that you always want to diversify everything. You don't want to go into projects that are always high risk and leave out the low risk projects such as the Anchor protocol because they're offering much lower percentage than the other projects. Actually, look at this as a great opportunity to diverse your portfolio. And if one project that I would recommend for anyone that's just starting out, and also for people that are really in deep in with the crypto projects, I would definitely recommend going into Anchor Protocol. That's something I've always wanted to talk about because I've always believed that lending and borrowing is something that sustainably can be attained and can be also grown into it, and they have a lot of utility with their coin. So that's why I really like about the Anchor protocol is because you're able to just stake the coin and also gain a really nice stable income from it from a percentage wise, and you're able to also, if you want, stake the Anchor and the USD to the liquidity pool. But this is it's much riskier than just staking the Anchor protocol by itself. So have that in the back of your mind that if you're able to get on the project, you're able to stake the Anchor, which is a bit lower risk because you're just providing the Anchor for the governance for the staking, and you're basically talking about the polls and joining forms. But with Anchor USD, you're providing liquidity, and the liquidity pool is a bit much riskier. So have that in the back of your mind when you're looking at the project. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring to your attention Anchor Protocol because I've always wanted to do a video about it, and I believe it's probably the lowest risk project out there in the crypto space. And if you have a little bit of funds that you want to try out the Anchor Protocol with, I would recommend you testing it out and also doing a bit more research and looking at the Anchor Protocol audits, which I didn't go in depth in about today, but just take a look at it and see if this is something that you want to go into depth in. But I really truly believe in this company and this project as well. But just take a look at it and see if this is something that's right for you. Alright, guys, and that'll be it for today's video. Hope you've gained value, and all I ask in return if you can like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. And hopefully, if you like this video, I'll be able to talk more about the audits. And if that's something that you want to see in the future videos, just let me know in the comments below. And also, I've actually provided my social media down below as well. You can go ahead and take a look at it. This is my personal profile, and you can it doesn't you can talk to me about you can message me about anything. Okay, if you're having a bad day today, go ahead and message me and let's talk. If you want to see a project that I haven't spoken about yet, go ahead and also message me and send me a message and say that okay, this is a project that I want you to talk about, and I'll definitely be making a video about it. I just want to build out a really nice community here, and I wanted to provide my social media down below for you guys to check it out. And just send me a message whenever if you want to talk about anything that you're having in your life or you want somebody to just speak to about, okay? Alright, guys, without any further ado, take care and stay blessed.